In this video, you'll learn how to create a home page in WordPress. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will be able to set up a customized home page for your website efficiently. First, navigate to WordPress.com. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see a variety of options related to managing your site. At this point, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. Next, locate the menu option labeled Sites on the WordPress dashboard. Click on Sites, which will direct you to a page displaying all your existing sites. If you do not have any sites yet, you will have the option to create a new one. Once you are on the sites page, look for the button that says Create with AI. This option typically appears prominently on the page. Click on this button to initiate the AI site creation process. After clicking, a loading screen may appear while the system processes your request. After the initial loading, a message will appear stating, laying the foundations. This indicates that the AI is preparing to generate your site. Be patient, as this step may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the AI has finished loading, you will see a prompt that encourages you to make a website as unique as you. This is your opportunity to customize your homepage. Follow the on-screen instructions closely. Next, you will be prompted to type in create a home page. Enter this text into the designated field and then click on the enter key on your keyboard. After this action, you should see confirmation that your input has been registered. The system will then inform you that WordPress.com can create a home page. This confirmation is crucial as it indicates that you are on the right track. After this message appears, proceed to type in the choice given above. After typing your selection, click on Enter again. This action will confirm your choice and move you to the next step in the process. You may notice loading indicators as the system processes your request. You will then receive a message asking what your website should be called, which is the site title that appears in the Browser tab. Type in the name you wish to use for your site. After entering the name, click on Enter once more to save your input. Next, you will be prompted to provide a short tagline or description that will show in search results and social previews. This description helps inform visitors about your site. Type in your tagline and click Enter to proceed. After submitting your tagline, click on Create My Site. This action will initiate the final setup of your homepage. Following this click, a message stating, please wait, your site is brewing will appear, indicating that the site is being prepared. Now you will need to wait for the system to generate your homepage. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your site, this might take a while. Be prepared for a short wait as the AI works on your new site. Finally, once the generation process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your homepage has been successfully created. You can now explore your new homepage and make any additional customizations as desired. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.